Sam Sunderland Dakar 2022 Profile. Sam Sunderland is from Great Britain. He is in GASGAS Factory Racing team driving KTM 450 Rally Factory Replica motorcycle. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. Since he became the first British winner of the Dakar in 2017, Sam Sunderland has been working hard to get back on the top step of the podium. He's come pretty close, too, third in 2019 behind teammates Toby and Matthias Walkner, third again in 2021 behind Benavides and Brabec. At Dakar 2022, the 32-year-old will be trying to land his second title with a new outfit. After 6 editions with the Red Bull KTM factory team, he has signed for the official GASGAS team, where he'll form an ambitious duo with the up-and-coming Daniel Sanders. Sam started riding at the age of 7 after getting a motorbike for Christmas. He almost immediately wrecked it attempting a wheelie, and eventually began competing in motocross events in the UK and beyond. A serious training crash at 16 resulted in a year off the bike and could have ended his professional career before it even began, but at 19 he visited his aunt and uncle in Dubai and fell in love with desert riding. He decided to move to the UAE full-time to pursue his new passion while working in a KTM shop. He then burst onto the rally raid scene at the 2011 Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge, grabbing 2 stage wins as an amateur. He made his Dakar debut in 2012 before turning pro with Honda and joining KTM in 2014. As well as claiming that historic Dakar victory in 2017, he was crowned FIM World Champion in 2019. Sam has been one of the world's top bike riders for many years, and will certainly be among the main contenders on 2 wheels in Saudi Arabia. He became a father for the first time in 2020. His partner is Adrian Van Beveren's sister Florence, and while he describes it as a marathon stage every day of the week, the arrival of his daughter hasn't blunted his competitive instincts. This year hasn't been easy, with Sam suffering a nasty crash at Rally Kazakhstan and retiring from the Morocco Rally with illness. He has been forced to abandon the Dakar on 5 occasions due to crashes or mechanicals, but he remains one of the quickest men over the dunes, and he's hungry for that second title with his new team. Sam Sunderland said, "I've won Dakar and I've won the World Championship, so at this point in my career a change is quite cool. GASGAS is kind of under the KTM umbrella to some extent, so I'll still be working with a lot of the same boys in management and everything. Same work mentality, same everything. I'm really looking forward to it. It's a little refresh, if you like. New kit, new colors, new bike, new teammate. It's cool and it's a challenge to try to be one of the first guys to win Dakar in 2 different colors. I like Sanders a lot, he's quite young and full of energy. So hopefully some of my experience can help him, and some of his energy can help me maybe. Really looking forward to another Dakar, and really motivated to try to get that win back in the Austrian side. Honda have been putting up a really good fight in the last couple of years, and I think it's about time we got it done again. Every time I've finished Dakar I've been on the podium, but my start to finish ratio isn't quite as good. After you've won, you always want to taste that victory again. 3rd place doesn't quite taste the same. But nonetheless, a Dakar podium is pretty special and something I'm proud of. There are no secrets, just hard work. And having a great team behind you, which is so crucial in the Dakar. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. YouTube subscription link is available in the description of this video. For more related Dakar 2022 videos, see our Dakar 2022 playlist.